So let me tell you how I did this in just 4 months from 0 to 100k subscribers. And honestly, there was no magic trick. Just 4 simple things that I focused on from day 1. From my very first video, my only intent was simple. Whoever watches this should learn something. I have always used YouTube as an educational platform. Whenever I had a how-to question in my head, I would search it on YouTube. So when I started my channel, I knew the best way to give back was to teach something in every video. You know that saying, give a man a fish and he'll eat for a day. Teach him how to fish and he'll never starve. That's exactly how I think about my content. If someone is giving me their 30 seconds or 10 minutes, they should walk away with a new skill, a tip, or a new idea. The first 3 to 5 seconds of your video are everything. That's where people decide if they'll stay till the end or scroll away. So I started obsessing over my hooks. What problem am I solving? What curiosity I am creating? From my research, some of the biggest creators spend weeks just to get that 3-second hook right, even after the whole video is already shot. So if you are a new creator, remember, you don't need a better camera, you just need a better first sentence and a better script. Next, evergreen content. Evergreen means your video has infinite shelf life. People can watch it today, next year, or 5 years later and still get value from it. Instead of just posting a dance video, why not make it a dance tutorial? Instead of only showing your workout, turn it into an exercise guide people can follow again and again. Those are the videos that keep getting you views, keep bringing you subscribers, and keep making you revenue long after you've uploaded them. Now, long form or shorts. In the beginning, I posted both, and that's how I understood what my audience prefers. My first 1000 subscribers actually came from long form videos, but then it was shorts that really blew up the channel and gave me serious growth in terms of subscribers. I love creating long form videos, but I'm here for the audience, so you'll keep seeing more shorts from me along with some long form videos. And that's how I hit 100k in 4 months. High value content, strong hooks, evergreen videos, and using long and short form videos the right way. If you are starting your own channel, I genuinely wish you good luck. Stay patient and consistent, and I'll see you at 100k too.